Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I am sharing a simple, crunchy and creamy snack, bread toast egg sandwich. Perfect for breakfast, evening tea or even a quick lunchbox idea. Let's start with the delicious stuffing. Take one boiled egg and grate it finely. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources in the world. Add 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped green capsicum, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder, and 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. Adjust the mayo based on how creamy you like your filling. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it all really well. This creamy egg mayo filling is full of flavor. Mayo-based filling are often used in cold sandwiches, but this one works perfectly with crispy toast too. Now take your bread slices. Roll and flatten them gently. Use day-old bread. It flattens better and fries more crispy. Prick both sides with a toothpick. This helps prevent puffing while frying. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the bread slices until golden brown and crisp on both sides. Don't overcrowd the pan while frying, it helps toast evenly. Always prick the bread with a toothpick, it prevents unwanted bubbles while frying. Place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Now remove the toothpicks. Spread that creamy egg mixture over the toast. Capsicum is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Onions support digestion and boost immunity. And that's it, your bread toast egg sandwich is ready to enjoy. And there you go, a delicious snack made with love and ready in minutes. If you love this bread toast egg sandwich, do like, share and comment below. Want more quick snack ideas like this? Let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to Innovent Foods for more easy and tasty homemade recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and happy snacking.